Hi, today I'm going to walk you through the steps for setting up and installing your Pulse transmitter. To complete this, you'll need to have the Tether app downloaded on your phone, have your Pulse transmitter and the Pulse leads/meter connector ready, and a flathead screwdriver. To begin, open the Tether app and select Connect a Device. Scan the QR code located on the side of your Pulse transmitter. Next, establish a location outside. This identifies which area of water consumption this Pulse transmitter is reporting. Take a photo of the device. If you're not at the installation site, you can skip this part for later. However, if you're at the location or on site, it's advisable to take a photo of the installed Pulse device, as this can be quite useful when it comes to any potential future troubleshooting. Let's now connect the water meter Pulse leads to the Pulse. In order to do this installation, you will require the Pulse transmitter, a flathead screwdriver, and the Pulse leads that is compatible with your existing water meter. If you do not have the Pulse leads, then you'll need to contact the manufacturer of your water meter to be able to source it, as every Pulse lead or Pulse connector is unique to the water meter it's connected to. The first step is to thread the wires from the Pulse lead through the grey screw. This attaches and secures the Pulse meter to the Pulse leads. We also need to do the same to the rubber stop. This stop ensures that water does not get into the Pulse transmitter. Once that is done, you'll need to open the Pulse transmitter unit and slide out the circuit board. Detach the circuit board from the plastic base. Thread the Pulse wires through the plastic base, making sure there is enough room to attach the wires to the circuit board, and then push the rubber stopper in place. Tighten the screws onto the plastic base. On the circuit board, loosen the 6 and number 7 screw.
Pop the ground wire into slot number 6 and the impulse wire into number 7 and screw the wires to hold them in place. In this example, we're talking about the brown and white wires, but the colours might be different depending on your meter connector. Have a quick look at your meter connector manual to figure out what coloured wire is the ground and what is the impulse.
Reattach your circuit board to the plastic base. Slide the circuit board into the Pulse transmitter case. Make sure it is sealed and has a snug fit to ensure that the water does not get into your Pulse. The Pulse transmitter is now connected to your water meter. Once you've got that sorted, you can make sure the Pulse is all set up and working by checking back on the app or desktop an hour after installation. The Pulse sends its data every hour, so if everything is going smoothly, you'll see the water consumption data coming through. Just a little note, if no water has been used in that time, it will simply show 0.